Here are Rishi and Rocco. They are 6 weeks old now, as of today. So they had their vet check and everything's good. So they're ready for adoption in the next couple weeks. So anybody that's interested, give me a call or an email or a text or whatever, and we can get the ball rolling for that. They'll be ready to go on July 31st to their new homes. Yeah. They were playing just a minute ago, so we'll see if maybe they'll start playing again. If they're just going to hang out by my feet. So Rocco's the one that's got more white on him. Rishi's the one with lots of color. Right here in the corner, like I wish they'd move out a little. I don't know what it is about these dogs. They love to pull on each other's ears. Even the adults play that way. Well, what up, Rocco? You just gonna sit there? Nobody wants to watch you sit. Come on, babies. Come on. Got a really high X pen for them because Hannah will jump over the lower ones. And I'm just so worried she's gonna hurt herself. So we bought this really high one. She can't get over that. Because at night, I need her to stay in there with the babies. And she won't. She'll climb out. She'll come be with me. There we go. Maybe we're going to play a little now. I put a cute little video of them playing yesterday on our Facebook page. Might want to check our Facebook page from time to time because we do put things there that aren't on the website. Because it's just so easy to throw pictures or videos on the Facebook page. Do it with TikTok too if you like TikTok. We're in the same name, Cathy's Coton Cuties, on everything. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, it's all the same. What's he got? Oh, he's got that ball. They love balls. And this one has a jingle bell in it. So when he does get it to roll, it makes noise. They love that too. And Rocco's just watching him. Can you hear the jingle? Jingle, 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 jingle. Jingle, jingle, jingle. Well, I guess I'm not going to get much out of them today either. Maybe this is the wrong time of day to do videos. Everybody's tired. All right, well, there are Hannah's sweet boys at 6 weeks old.